Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to log out Google account on Poco C71. Alright guys, so yeah, for those of you if you have previously linked a lot of Google account on your cell phone and it makes your cell phone slow, then it's time for you to log out of your Google account on your cell phone. Or if you are confused about how to log out your Google account from your cell phone, don't need to be worried because the method is very easy. So yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright guys, so yeah, the first thing first that I have to do is, of course, now you can go to about settings menu on your cell phone like this. And then after that, now you can scroll down again, and then now you can go to password, passkey, and account. And then now you can click on account that you want to log out. And then here now you can click remove account. And then so yeah, your Google account is already logged out. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial and thank you so much for watching.